Most food crops demand constant replanting, constant feeding, and constant effort. Miss a season, and you miss a harvest. But there is one perennial crop that quietly produces year after year, survives drought, tolerates cold, and keeps feeding people when annual crops fail. This plant has already fed generations in difficult times, and yet it remains almost unknown in modern gardens. If food security, resilience, and long-term abundance matter to you, this crop deserves your attention right now. Annual crops are fragile by design. They depend on perfect timing, disturbed soil, and repeated inputs. Perennials work differently. Once established, they grow deep roots, protect soil structure, and harvest sunlight for years without starting over. Modern science confirms what traditional growers always knew. Deep-rooted perennial plants access nutrients and water that annuals never reach, making them far more reliable in unstable conditions. This is why perennial crops are increasingly discussed in global food security research. They reduce labor, reduce inputs, and stabilize yields over time. Among them, one stands out for its productivity, nutrition, and simplicity. Perennial kale, sometimes called tree kale, is one of the most productive leafy food plants ever grown. Unlike annual kale, it does not need to be replanted each season. Once established, it produces edible leaves continuously for 5 to 10 years, sometimes longer. What makes this plant extraordinary is honestly its consistency. It grows through cool seasons, rebounds after harvesting, and tolerates conditions that, well, stop most vegetables entirely. In mild climates, it produces nearly year-round. In colder regions, it returns early in spring, long before annual crops can even be planted. Perennial kale is not just resilient, it is in fact densely nutritious. Its leaves contain high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, along with calcium, iron, and antioxidants. Because the plant grows slowly and steadily, nutrients accumulate rather than being diluted by rapid growth. This matters because food security is not just about calories, it is about nutrition per square foot. A single mature plant can produce pounds of edible greens each year with minimal care, making it, honestly, one of the most efficient garden crops available. Once perennial kale is established, harvesting becomes simple and, honestly, pretty continuous. You harvest outer leaves while allowing the center to keep growing. This triggers constant regrowth rather than decline. Unlike annual kale, which bolts and becomes bitter, perennial kale maintains flavor for years. In practical terms, just 2 or 3 plants can supply greens for a household through most of the year. In community gardens or small farms, a dense planting can feed dozens of people reliably, with almost no replanting costs. The real secret behind this plant's productivity actually lies underground. Perennial kale develops a deep, branching root system that improves soil structure year after year. Those roots feed soil microbes continuously, building fertility instead of depleting it. Modern soil science confirms that perennial roots increase carbon storage, water infiltration, and microbial diversity. This means better soil not only for the kale itself, but for everything planted nearby. Many gardeners notice improved performance in surrounding beds simply because perennial plants are present. Perennial crops do not need heavy feeding, but they respond well to gentle biological nutrition. The most effective method is a simple compost infusion applied to the soil. Use 1 cup of finished compost mixed into 1 gallon of water. Stir vigorously for 1 minute. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then stir again. Apply 1 to 2 cups of this mixture around the base of each plant every 2 to 3 weeks during active growth. This supports soil life without forcing unnatural growth. Avoid synthetic fertilizers. They encourage soft, weak growth and shorten the plant's lifespan. Slow, steady nutrition keeps perennial kale productive for years. One of the most powerful aspects of perennial kale is that it does not rely on seeds alone. It can be propagated easily from cuttings. A single plant can become dozens. Just cut a healthy stem about 6 inches long, remove the lower leaves, and place it in moist soil. Keep it shaded for the first week and water lightly. Roots form quickly, and the new plant becomes productive within months. This means one plant can become an entire food system over time, which is why this crop has such enormous potential in food-insecure regions. Perennial kale tolerates heat better than most leafy greens and survives frost better than almost any vegetable. During drought, its deep roots keep it alive when shallow-rooted crops fail. During heavy rain, its stable root system prevents soil loss. This resilience is exactly what modern agriculture lacks. As weather becomes less predictable, perennial crops offer stability rather than dependence on perfect conditions. The reason perennial kale is not widely grown has little to do with performance and everything to do with systems. It does not fit industrial agriculture models that depend on yearly seed sales and mechanical harvesting. It thrives in gardens, food forests, and community spaces where long-term thinking matters. For home growers and local food systems, this is honestly an advantage. You are not competing with industrial methods. You are stepping outside them. If even a small percentage of gardens shifted toward perennial food crops, the impact would be, well, enormous. Less labor, healthier soil, more reliable nutrition, and long-term abundance from fewer inputs. Perennial kale is not a miracle plant. It is something better. It is dependable. If this video opened your eyes to what resilient food systems can look like, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more practical, nature-aligned growing wisdom. Share this with someone who cares about food security and help spread crops that feed people without burning out the land.